Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss theme in the novel The God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy. The first theme is the family. Family explore the relationship between brother, sister, mother, child, grandparent, grandchild, aunt, nephew, niece, and cousins. It looks at the ways families are forced to stick together and also they fall apart. Our second theme in the novel, The God of Small Things, is the caste system, a social system that grades society on the basis of caste and classes. In India, class system is hereditary and stratified according to Hindu ritual purity. The highest caste are Brahmins and the lowest are untouchable. In the novel, The God of Small Things, our major character Amu belong to highest class or upper class, and the second character, major character Vilutha, who belong to untouchable caste. Third theme of the novel is love affair. Vilutha has love affair with Amu, roving across the river to see her each night. Our fourth theme is forbidden love. Fourth theme is the theme of forbidden love. Amu was a woman from a god family and Vilutha was enterprising, a man belonging to untouchable caste fell in love. They already knew that their relationship was illicit and unacceptable for their society and it must be thwarted or prosecuted. But even they dared to love. That was big crime with reference to caste system in India. Next theme is class division. The class division is another theme in the novel. It brings about the tragedy of the novel. Vilutha and Amur are dared to engage in illicit affair and everything is lost. Vilutha belong to untouchable class and Amu belong to God's family and they still dare to love each other. They are engaged in an illicit relationship and it is unacceptable for their society according to their caste system. Our next theme is childhood and loss of innocence. Childhood and innocence always go side by side. If one thing is interrupted by some external or internal agent, the other must be affected. Estha and Rahil both separately and together lost their innocence throughout the course of the novel. One of the most touching aspects of Estha's loss of innocence is when he is molested and when he is forced to condemn Lyutha. This incident also affected Rahil. Next theme is guilt and blame. Guilt and blame are the prominent theme lurking around the corner of the novel. The theme of blame and guilt appear when Baby Kuchama blame Vilutha for raping Amu and kidnapping children, and the theme of guilt appear when Asta feel incredibly guilt after Orange Lemon Drink Man molested him and convinced that he did something wrong. Our next theme is female oppression. Female oppression can be seen in the character of Ammu and Mamachi. Mamachi continuously beaten by Papachi, and female oppression can be seen in the character of Ammu. Female oppression of Ammu can be seen in the novel when she did not get the higher education as compared to her brother. Her brother is sent to England in Oxford University for further studies. This show female oppression and male dominancy or patriarchal society. Our second last theme is patriarchal society. Patriarchal society can be seen when Chaku is sent to Oxford for further studies and Amu did not get higher education. Our last theme is Western influence. Western influence can be seen in the life of many characters. Papachi regular beating of his wife, Mamaji violent classes, Baby Kuchama's inclination toward Christianity for the sake of loving Father Mulingan, Amu's love marriage and Amu's divorce, Chaco's marriage with Western lady Margaret. All these are show the Western influence in the life of many characters.